Hi, I'm Calvin Rose, and welcome to Market Minute. I decided to put together a really short Market Minute just to review the equity behavior today because I saw some interesting things happening in the markets, and I just wanted to point them out. I don't know if it means anything good or not. We'll have to wait and see, but it was encouraging. Let's put it that way. So let's take a look really quickly here. So if we look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, the black line is the price of the ETF DIA, which is basically mimicking the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The gray solid line is the buying pressure, so the higher the better, and unless you're short, and the orange solid line is the selling pressure. So if you're long, the lower this value is, the better. So obviously you want the buying pressure to be above the selling pressure, and you can see, it's been kind of waffling back and forth here. But you can also see when I show you compare this to the NASDAQ 100, which is more technology focused, this has been kind of really not doing too bad given how the market has been dropping over the last couple of months. So the Dow's kind of been the safe haven equity place to be over this period. But what happened today is the selling pressure started spiking up here, which by itself isn't all that interesting. And you can see over the last month that this dashed line here, the trend line, the selling pressure has been declining, the buying pressure has been increasing. But today, the selling pressure spiked up here. Why is that interesting? Well, it only becomes interesting when you look at the NASDAQ 100 in comparison, and you can see how the price of the QQQ ETF has really dropped here because tech has just been getting pummeled. And you can also see, just like the Dow, the selling pressure trend has been decreasing, buying pressure trend has been increasing, but it acted differently today. First of all, it went up, and second of all, the selling pressure just ticked down a little bit. Maybe I'm making more out of this than it deserves, but what this says to me is this has dropped so much and tech has dropped so much that possibly investors are starting to say, this is getting a little crazy. I'm going to bottom feed here and I'm going to start buying in. So that's all I see here. Don't know what it means for tomorrow or the next day or next week, but it looks encouraging. And oh, by the way, gold, which was the safe haven a couple of months ago, it just looks horrible. The selling pressure is way above the buying pressure, selling pressure increasing like crazy, not the place to be. And gold dropped today, so that was also good. So people weren't going there. The other thing I found interesting is that the ETF TLT, which has an average duration of 20-year treasury bonds, that's been dropping like crazy because interest rates have been going up. That has ticked up higher for 2 sessions in a row now, and the selling pressure has dropped a lot here. Again, don't know what that means going forward, but maybe the market is feeling like interest rates are not going to go up as much as they thought. I don't know. We'll see. No crystal ball, but just wanted to bring you this quick overview of what I saw today. Thought it was interesting. And yeah, that's it. I'm Calvin Rose, and thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification icon so you won't miss an upcoming episode of Market Minute. That's all for now.